Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm back with another video, y'all. Let's make some lamb chops, okay? Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's make this delicious meal. Alright, so I cleaned the lamb chops off. That's why they look like that. But now I'm about to start seasoning it, and these things are come out busted. Alright, so I pat them down dry, so I'm going to put a tablespoon of green seasoning, tablespoon of minced garlic, some black pepper, not a lot. I need to back up because I was sneezing, that's why I'm sneezing in. I'm going to put some garlic powder, little paprika for color. Okay. Then I'm going to put some, gonna add some Worcestershire sauce. I'm also gonna add some lemon juice. Not too much. So I'm just gonna mix that up. Get all of that mixed up. Alright, now I'm going to cover this up and put this in the fridge for about 30 minutes. Alright, while that's going, I'm gonna take out my parsley and chop some fresh parsley up. And then I'm gonna get started on the mashed potatoes as well. And I may do cream spinach as a veggie for today, because I haven't had that in a minute. I think I'll go good with it. So that's what I'm gonna do now, and we'll be back when it's time to get into those lamb chops, y'all. Alright, y'all, so I got my cast iron skillet. I just bought it. Then you're gonna take some oil of your choice. That oil get nice and hot, okay? So now I'm gonna drop them in there. Alright. Let that cook on each side for about like 5 to 7 minutes. Alright, so I'm gonna quickly show y'all how I make my mashed potatoes. So I boil my potatoes, I cut them up so they can all boil evenly. Get them all soft, drain them off, and then you're gonna get a masher and you're gonna mash it all up like that, okay? Now I'm gonna add some heavy whipping cream. I'm gonna add some minced garlic in here. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add some fresh parsley and some onions. So yeah, like the nice fresh herbs in there. So then I added some butter, some sour cream, and then I'm gonna season it with garlic powder and salt and pepper to taste. Then just continue to mash them up like this. Alright, y'all, I like my lamb chops a little burnt. I don't know why I do, so this is how I like it. You don't have to cook it like this. So I added some butter, and then I got some parsley and onion. I'm just adding that in. And then we're gonna pour it, we're gonna put it all over this. Y'all gonna see, hold on. Alright, once your butter is melted, you're gonna tilt your pan to the side. Now be careful because the cast iron skillet is heavy. You're gonna take your spoon and you're gonna drench your lamb chops into this sauce right here. So you're just gonna cover it like this. You're pretty much basting it like that in that sauce, and this is gonna give it a nice enhancement of flavor. Alright y'all, so then this is it. I plated it with some cream spinach and some creamy garlic mashed potatoes. And y'all, this thing was so good, okay? This is the end of this video, and I want to thank you guys again for watching. Stay tuned for more. And if you haven't yet, please check out my website, Chefing with Tiara. I'll put the link down below, and you can get this with my ebook here today. And I want to thank you again for watching, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.